afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Dave of Spruce Industries here for another special Beyond the Product segment on beyond.spruceindustries.com. And things change, people change, ideas change. For instance, take a look at me back in 8th grade, where clearly all I cared about was Red Bull and skateboarding and Axe body spray. Flash forward to today, and what I care about is making sure that my customers have the proper support and material to maintain a safe and clean environment. And if you're a facility manager with an old school mentality, I'm going to give you 5 different areas that might change your mind about the way that you might have been doing things. First thing, and I know it's not a nuanced revelation I'm giving you here, but if you have a large area like a gymnasium that needs to be mopped every day, and you're still using a mop bucket and wringer, you're wasting money. Remember that 90% of the budget to maintain a facility is in the labor. So if you have an auto scrubber, for instance, a Noble's Speed Scrub 300, it's going to get that same job done in 10-15 minutes. Next thing, get yourself a dilution control system. And I've mentioned this in my previous videos. If you are still diluting products by hand, you may not be getting the dilution right, and you might be creating an unsafe environment. Get a dilution control system like the SSS Navigator to make sure that you're getting the proper dilution each and every single time. Every facility manager should have a detailed scope of work for their staff. Give us a call and ask us about our Partners in Protection program, where we outline the proper way to clean and disinfect and maintain a safe, clean environment. This next one is a topic of conversation more recently because of the pandemic, but it's time to start thinking about indoor air quality. Call me and ask me about the ThinkLight TL Flare air quality monitor that can measure TVOCs and particulate matter. And the last thing I'll say about the old school mentality is the idea that our industry is on the back burner of everyone's minds. The pandemic has changed the way that people think, and facilities maintenance is on the tip of everyone's tongue. Modern problems require modern solutions, and that's what we at Spruce are here to help you with. Give us a call, shoot us an email. We are happy to help. Thank you so much for watching the video. Be safe.